Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating articles with WpeMatico in minutes and additionally 5 tips on how you can make your content SEO optimized. So let's not lose time and just dive right into it. And this is our WpeMatico's dashboard on WordPress, and now we are creating a new campaign. So let's get started. Here we will need to title it. I will write TechCrunch. So here you will also need to write a description and observation about your campaign. So the most important part comes here. You will need to add a feed URL. So I will just paste it here, and you will need to do this ABC test, and once it's approved, you are good to go. So it's good. Here I would like to introduce some of the fields here that we've got in this options for this campaign section, and here the first one is the maximum items to create on each fetch. So here you can choose the number of articles that you want to generate out of one fetching. So I will stick to 5, but you can configure it to any number that you want. Here you can also choose to fill the excerpt automatically by WpeMatico, which will do this considering the content of your campaign. You can also strip all HTML tags and links from your contents if you just mark this, and you can also post title links to source. So if you want to connect your articles to the original source and have external links, then you can mark this as well. Here you can also configure whether you want the comments to be closed or open, or for only registered commenters. And here I will leave it to open, and in this section you can schedule your campaign. So if you just mark this here, you will just need to choose the months, days, hours and minutes that you want your campaign to be live. And here we've got these options for videos, audios, images, and duplicate controls. We have shown you in the previous video. You can find the link in the description below how you can do this, but it is needless to mention that all of these settings can be rewritten for each of your campaigns that you want. Afterwards, here you can choose the post type that you want. Either you want it to be post, page, or media, landing page, etc. So I will just stick to post. And here you can also choose the campaign categories here. So I will just right now choose the uncategorized one, but you better choose one of them. So after publishing it, let's now go back to our posts, all posts, and see what we got there. So here we've got plenty of articles generated by each of our fetchings. So let's just choose one of them. Let's say it is Nigeria's My Cover AI article. And here we've got a pretty good article, well structured, well written. So here we've got even images with their credits. And the first thing that we need to pay attention to make this article better, to high rank in the Google SRP, we will need to have keywords. So we will need to have a couple of up to 3 main keywords, and also have some other supporting keywords. So in this case, I guess it's the insurance keyword here that we've got. So when we just do it like this, here you can see that we've got up to 42 insurance keyword here. So another life hack comes here. So you better target long tail keywords because ranking for insurance might be really difficult. So tip number 2, we need to have alt tags for our images so that we can rank high in the Google SRP. So this is why we are clicking here on our image, and we are clicking edit, and here in this media part we are adding our alt tags. So let's say something like this: a group photo of my car AI staff in Nigeria. So something that really and deeply describes what we've got in this specific picture. And we are just clicking here, update. And the other thing that I noticed, which is quite amazing, is that we've got here some external and internal links, which is good for advancing your website sitemap, which again helps Google to better rank you based on the links that you are linking to, based on the websites that are giving links to you. So this helps Google just to understand your content better and rank you higher and higher. Well, that's it for today. And if you've still got any questions concerning the plugin WpeMatico, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye!